To create a save copy, go to File and select Save Copy from the menu. Then open up the browser and give your file a new name. For example, copy. Select Save Copy, and what you'll notice in the top corner is that we're still working with the original test file. So I saved it as a different name, but I'm still working on the original save file, which is called test.blend in this example. I can, however, go and open the file that I recently saved. So for example, let's say I delete the cube, or the Suzanne head in this case, and I save my test file. Now if I go to open copy.blend, Suzanne is restored.